Hello. In this video, we're going to look at how we can get a copy of a Mahara template comprising collections and pages that you can take as your own. The Mahara template has been divided in the same way as this Excel spreadsheet has been created. For instance, you have here a junior 1, a junior 2, a senior 1, and a senior 2. The Mahara template has been created in the same way that the collection, Junior 1, has 4 pages within the collection. There's a page for philosophy, concept, pathosynthesis, and nursing process care. You'll be able to get a copy of that template, make it your own, and then begin to add the assignments from Moodle or to upload files from your computer into the Mahara system. Our first step is to sign into Moodle. Once you've logged into Moodle, look for the Mahara UNCC Charlotte link. This is found under the block called Network Servers. By clicking on that link, you'll be taken into the Mahara portfolio. Go ahead and click on the tab titled Portfolio. Once there, you will notice that you have some default pages that have been created. There's a dashboard page, which is really the initial page that you had seen, that gives you an idea of the things that you can create and collect in your portfolio, how to organize and how to share your portfolio among your network. It also tells you the latest pages that have been created within the Mahara portfolio system. These pages are not necessarily shared with you, but you have an idea of the type of work that fellow students and faculty have been creating. You're also given a profile page, and the profile page under content has information about yourself, your contact information, general information. You can also add journal, resume, plans, and other notes. Again, as I said, these are the default pages. But we will want to copy collections that have been shared with us. And to do so, you will first want to copy a collection that has been shared with you. And to do so, click on the tab called Collections, and then click Copy a Selection. Here you will see all Mahara collections that have been shared with the university. You will want to first look for the ones that are associated with you. And to do so, let's start with the Junior 1 BSN Student Portfolio. We're going to simply click the button Copy Collection. Once we copy the collection, the pages within the collection will also come over. Now you'll notice that the collection name has Copy of Junior 1 BSN Student Portfolio. We advise you that you should remove the words copy of and instead add your first and last name to the name of the page. In this case, I've added my name, John Brown, space, dash, space, Junior 1, and so forth. I can add some collection description if I want. And then everything else I leave as is. You can also add tags. So tags would be probably nursing and other things that you have. And then I click Next, Edit Collection Pages. There are no other pages to add, but there are pages here that are within the collection that are coming over as well. You will just simply accept them by clicking Done. Now you'll notice that the collections John Brown for Junior 1 BSN Student Portfolio has come over. If you just click on that link, you will see the pages appear as tabs, navigation tabs, as part of the collection. So now we have one of the sections within the pre-licensure BSN student portfolio, which is a junior one. And now you can go ahead and do the same for the junior 2, the senior 1, and the senior 2. For this exercise, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just copy one more. So I click on portfolio. I then click on collections. I want to copy a collection. In this case, I'm going to copy the Junior 2 collection. So I click copy a collection. I look for the Junior 2. And if it's not on this page, I just simply click next, or I can search by it. But here it is that I found one. So I simply go over here and click copy collection. Again, I remove the copy off, the words copy off, and I replace it with my first and last name. I can add a collection description, I can add a tag, and then finally I click next to edit. There are no other pages to add. Here are the pages that are part of my collection. I click done. And now there you have it, collections. And you can do that with senior 1 and senior 2. So just by copying the collection, I have carried over the pages. Now each of those pages have the words copy off, copy off. So what we want to do is to remove those words and just have it concept paper, philosophy, pathosynthesis. To do that, you simply click on the page that you want to edit. Onto the right side, it says edit this page. Go ahead and do that. You see here that we have edit title and description. Go ahead and click edit title. And there the title says copy off. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to say save. There it is, concept paper. The template also gave you what they call the edit layout. Let me look at that. For edit layouts, we have different type of layouts. We have layouts that are just 100% just a page. We have pages that divide into two, into a third, on the left and on the right, 3 pages, a third each, and so forth. The default is this one, but you can always, just by clicking on this one, click save, and your page layout has been changed, and then click done. Now if you go back to the next one, then this is Junior 2. Again, we choose the page that we want to edit. We click on edit title and description, remove the words, copy off, and then click save. Then we click done. So all our collections are here. But there's one thing here that we can look at on the portfolio shared with me. If we had pages that were shared with us by others, they would show here. In the same way, if you were sharing pages with persons, you could share it here. Now, because this page was shared by Mahara IT personnel, this person does not need to be a part of your access list within your collection. You need to add your faculty advisor to the collection. And so to do so, we need to edit access to remove this person and then to add our faculty advisor. So to do that, we are going to simply first remove this person, and then we're going to look for a faculty advisor under users. So let me use one of the faculty advisors that we have. And once you have found the name, simply by typing their first and last name, hitting go, then I'm going to click this plus sign to add the faculty to our collection and our pages. I accept everything, allow comments, then click save. So there you have it. The IT personnel has been removed and your faculty advisor has been added to your access list. Let's do the same. Again, we want to edit access. We want to remove this person. We want to share with other users by choosing users. Look for our faculty advisor by typing their first and last name, clicking go, and then click the plus button. Their names appear here, and then click save. And there you have it. So our portfolio based on pages are now created. We have shared our collection and our pages with our faculty advisor. And now we are ready to work on our collections either by uploading assignments from Moodle over into Mahara or simply adding files straight from our computer. In the next video, you will see how you can edit your collections to add your assignments based on the Junior 1, Junior 2s, Senior 1, and Senior 2 sections.